Hello everyone, welcome back to Slides Coasters News. My name is Brad Water Parker, and welcome back to another episode talking about Alabama Splash Adventure Water Park down in Bessemer, Alabama. You know, we've been talking about this for the past couple weeks, guys, and now we're finally at the end. We already just got an announcement yesterday, and now we're going to kind of break that down for you guys, and just kind of talk about my thoughts and my opinions on the basically what's been announced, what we're getting, and what we're looking forward to in the future. So, let's break this down for a second. First things first, we are not getting a water coaster. In fact, we're getting a Whitewater West mat racer slide called Rocket Racer, which is going to be the largest water slide in Alabama. It is also going to make Splash Adventure the largest water park in Alabama. So again, we're talking about the largest of X, Y, and Z. This is it. This is exactly it. The largest water slide in Alabama. It's going to become the largest water park in Alabama. It's going to have 6 racing slides, and it's going to be 50 feet tall and 400 feet long. What does this mean for us? This is, again, we're talking about the water park revolution. What does that mean? What is the deal? Well, basically what's going on is the water park revolution is a theory that I came up with a long time ago to where it's going to be the longest, the tallest, the fastest of X, Y, and Z water slide, right? Or for the region, or for the territory. Now, with that in mind, what we have going here, what we've got moving is Alabama Splash Adventures, hoisting their weight and saying, all right, we are going to be the largest in the state, and we are going to make this into a travel destination. It does fall close to what we were talking about before. We're talking about the water coaster theory being the largest in the park, as in the largest in the hard park, but we didn't really take it as the largest in the water park. So that was on my end, not on your end. But we're getting a brand new water slide, mat racer slide from Whitewater West, and I kind of want to talk about it for a second. Alabama Adventure Splash Adventure is owned by the same exact family that owns Holiday World and Splash and Safari. Splash and Safari is an amazing water park. And I think that Alabama Splash Adventure did a really good job in, kind of rounding out their water park. I've heard it time and time again. People want to go all in on a big giant attraction before they really round out their water park. And I kind of fell into this, and I'll admit it, I've admit wrong when I had wrong. I wanted the water coaster. I thought with the twins that it would be the twin water coaster, but it's actually mirrored layouts for the slide, and it's going to be again, it's all mat race slides. They're Whitewater West. I've ridden several of these. I love them with a passion. I think that these are incredible. I think this is going to be a great way for the water park to really improve their selection and quality. Which, a lot of people, they talk about the fact that, water parks need to grow and they need to improve. Well, you got to go and do the little things to build up to the bigger things. And I think that Alabama Splash Adventure is doing a really good job in promoting something that's fun and that's also family friendly. This is a family theme park, amusement park, so to speak. Same exact thing for the water park. I think this delivers something for the more thrilling individuals. We have a lot of family-style attractions, Twister, Neptune's Plunge, but we don't really have a lot of thrill attractions, such as Free Fall. And I think that this is a perfect blend. It's something that is fun and exciting for all ages. If you ride these slides right, you will get a little bit of airtime. So I'm really looking forward for this attraction. I think it's going to be amazing. I do believe that with this announcement, that I can officially say that 2021 is going to be year of the water parker. It's going to be year of the water park. It's going to be year of the water park enthusiasts. If you're like me, this is on your bucket list. This is a water park. This is a park that's been on my bucket list for a while. And I think that an attraction like Rocket Racer really pushes it over the edge to say, all right, we got to get down here. We got to go check it out. 2021 is going to be a very interesting year. And I think that just in general, with what we're looking at right now with our water parks, we've got a ton of stuff to work with. We've got a ton of water parks, a ton of theme parks going out and producing a lot of stuff that was originally supposed to be for this year, mind you. A lot of this stuff is supposed to be for this year. A lot of the water park stuff too. But considering the fact we had a worldwide health pandemic, everyone kind of put a freeze and said, all right, let's wait. And now here we are. We have a brand new addition coming to Bessemer. We have a brand new addition that's going to bring in a lot of money to the water park. I think this is going to be a great addition for myself because I'm going to go on down there this year. I'm going to try to get down to Alabama Splash Adventure. This is a park that's been on my bucket list for a while, and if you guys remember correctly, I was talking about before, Rampage has been on my bucket list. This water park itself has been on my bucket list. There's a lot of cool things to do at Alabama Splash Adventure. I think that this only adds to the flavor. This only adds to the excitement of the water park. And I think this is an amazing theme. Rocket Racer's a really nice name. It kind of rolls off the tongue really well. I think this is going to be exciting. I think this is going to create a new area for the park. Because again, when we talk about the park itself, this back area is kind of open. It really is. Like, if you go and look at the park overhead, which, maybe this off season we'll kind of talk about some of these theme parks and water parks, and just kind of say, hey, here's something to look at. I think that we've got some really cool things set up here. We have a lot of stuff to work with here. Of course, for myself, I think we're going to see some exciting things come out of the water park in general, because this has been growing, this has been moving, and I think they have a really great thing going. Because the Cook family, they've been doing an amazing job. This is an area that they've been trying to build out to, and I think just in general, they've got a lot of area and a lot of potential to work with in the back area of the park. I am glad that they didn't go on ahead and put a coaster back here, because that would have really cut off the water park. So I'm glad that they kept the water park space alive and well. And I think just in general, like, this is going to really expand the water park and really flesh it out a little bit more. Where do we go from here, though? That's going to be a discussion we're going to have later on, maybe even next year. We're going to kind of talk about some of the parks and kind of talk about where do they go in the next few years. We're going to actually have that as a monthly series. So if you guys don't know, currently we have the top 5 things for each area of the park for Kings Island. We're going to be bringing that into some other parks next year. We might even do a where do they go next series, talking about parks that have just recently bought something. Just kind of talk about, hey, where do they go next? What are they going to do? So with that being said, I am very excited for Alabama Adventure, Splash Adventure, and if any of the management are watching, I just want to say a huge thank you for really getting involved with your water park and really advancing your water park to a level that I think that you guys should keep it at. This is an amazing addition. I cannot see any reason to get upset or really let down, because a lot of the speculation, I've been looking at some of the speculation today, and a lot of people had really good points. And I think that, like in the video, they said that they loved the speculation. I love the fact that you guys actually took your time and really created something that was really exciting. It's really a family-friendly attraction. So with that being said, stay tropical, guys. If you guys liked the video, leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this brand new attraction? If you liked the video, like it, share it. That's the only way we can grow this channel. For as much as I can do with the channel, I kind of rely on you guys for a little bit of help. So with that being said, stay tropical. We'll see you guys in the next one.